Hey, what's going on, everybody? So just want to do a little follow-up video to my the video I did. It's been a while, but I did a video on if your phone is not fast charging or your USB-C cable won't stay secure and keeps falling out. So what I did on the other video was I took a bent staple. I'm just going to focus on this staple, but it's a bent staple, and I carefully, and I do mean carefully, and if you have something plastic that's this small, that would be ideal. But just carefully went around the inside of the port, kind of scraping the bottom very carefully, and kind of go around the edges. Careful not to touch the pins too much, and just kind of tapped it out on the desk. That's what I'm getting out. I apologize for the GoPro light blinking. So lint gets in there, and it prevents the cable from seating all the way down and having a secure fit. And it also will affect fast charging. But like I said, if you have something plastic that's this small, that would be ideal. But here, oh, look at there. Little piece of lint. That was a good chunk of lint there. Just tap that out a little bit. And like I said in my other video, this worked for me. Boy, look at that. That is impressive. And it's just from carrying it in my pocket all day. You know, it collects pocket lint. So if you're having trouble with your USB-C cable falling out and not getting a secure fit, then try this. But it's got to be something really, really small, and plastic would be ideal. But yeah, that's what I got out just now. So yeah, give it a shot, and hopefully it'll work for you, because it has certainly worked for me. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.